In Japan, one of the delights of autumn is rice cooked with chestnuts harvested in the fall. This time, Take received some delicious chestnuts from an acquaintance so that he will make chestnut rice as the second autumn delicacy. By the way, he made sweet potato tempura as the first fall delicacy. First, soak the chestnuts in water for a few hours. Chestnuts with insects inside will float. Chestnuts are composed of a hard devil's skin, the outer skin, an astringent skin, and the inner skin surrounding the fruit. First, cut off the seat, which is the buttock. Peel off the hard devil skin. Then, cut off the astringent skin.
Preparing the chestnuts takes time. This time it takes about 30 minutes.
Prepare 2 cups of rice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. Add half of the chestnuts as they are. Whole chestnuts are more prominent in chestnut rice. Cut the other half of the chestnuts and put them in the rice cooker so they are easy to eat. The chestnut rice is now cooked. Sprinkle black sesame seeds and salt over the chestnut rice. Add the mitsuba leaves to complete the dish. Chestnut rice is a Japanese autumn delicacy.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.